By now, you guys must have had accumulated enough Pi for yourself, because we've been doing this project since 2019 and we never give up. So I'm still mining, trying to accumulate more. So I just clicked on the mine, and then I'll be mining more. So there's still some adverts going on. Just close your app here, so you can see my current balance for Pi is 2600. okay, and I also have some transferable balance when I click on mainnet. So, and I also have some locked. Okay, so this is my migrated. I still have some that are transferable that will still be migrated or transferred here. Okay, so these are my unverified tokens, so 1634, and this is because some people have not done their KYC, some people under me. Okay, so for several reasons I've been pinging them. Okay, but thank God at least I've been able to accumulate a total of 1000 Pi. Okay, which by God's grace will be something reasonable when listed. Okay, so a lot of people have been asking me, should they sell their Pi? But my candid advice is, I think the best thing to do is to wait till listing date, or probably share your Pi balance. You can sell half of it, 50% in the P2P market, and then you keep 50% for the future. Do you understand? Okay, so who knows, Pi could go up to $10, $20 in years time. So you can sell in P2P at the rate of 1000, 1005, 1700, 2000, depending on the vendor. Do you understand? Okay, so there are some news circulating all over the internet about Pi. Okay, so you guys have to be careful. Do not give anyone your 24 seed phrase. If anyone is asking you for your seed phrase, please do not drop it, whether it is on Facebook or any platform. Keep your Pi coin safe. Don't be like that person that sold his BTC for pizza in 2011. You know what BTC costs now? That is around about $100,000. Okay, so these are the news circulating, posted on an article written about Binance. Okay, so Binance hosts community votes on Pi network listing. So that was a few minutes ago. I hope you guys have voted, because this is going to help the price to be reasonable. Okay, so Binance holds a rare community vote to decide if it will list Pi network's native token Pi after its launch on February 20. Okay, so Pi network mainnet launch has sparked intense hype, driving its IOU price up 78%, and some analysts predict that starting value is of 61 to 70. So I don't think this is going to happen. So in case of my price prediction, we are looking at let's say between 0.314, 0.6, or close to $1. Okay, so any of these three prices is going to happen. Do you understand? So don't raise your hopes. We're also seeing another news circulating. Okay, so let me show you some things going on here. So this person said, my cousin has 1600 Pi. Someone offered him $1.4 per Pi, which is a total of $2,240. And then he asked me, should I sell? So guys, tell me in the comment section if you are the one will you be selling at this rate or will you be holding? Okay, and then when we scroll down here, there is another IOU price. Okay, so we all know that exchanges like Huobi and some other exchanges have been delisting the IOU Pi, okay, so that they can replace it with the original one that will be listing on the 20th of February. So Gazi Wajidov said the Pi heat is on. These are the statistics of my Pi transfer. Can't name the exchange, but you all can guess easily by the interface. So all you calling this a scam, think again. Already valued, 1 Pi is 2.4 USDT and is not fake. Okay, on the 20th of February we shall see if this is true or not. Okay, so he showed an image proof, so let's click on the image and check out what's here. So from his deposit to this particular agent exchange, so this exchange quite looks like OKEX. Okay, so guys, please tell me, what does this exchange look like? Okay, to me I feel like this is OKEX. Okay, OKX. Here he deposited 199.95 Pi, okay, and the value is showing 489.87 USD. So when we come to our calculator and punch it, so you can see that's around $2.45. Okay, so that's to tell you that 1 Pi on OKEX has been revealed to be $2.45. So let's see if that's gonna happen, if that's possible. Okay, so if it happens, good for us. Okay, so that's that. Let's check some other news. When we scroll down, you can see the official listing date is here. Okay, and that's just what's going on. Okay, so guys, you guys should just be careful with your Pi and try to, if you're finding value in this video, all you have to do is to click on subscribe. Okay, and then turn on the notification bell, and then you can like, then share and comment. So you can always comment on what you want me to talk about in the next video. Hang on for some more years. This is a coin that has a good utility. Okay, so just like we have Jupiter, okay, and some other coins that are still going to do well. So please try and hold, try and be strong. Even if you're having a major financial issues, I will suggest you just sell half of your token. Okay, just sell half of it and keep the remaining one. So when we come to some images here, if you want to sell your Pi, in case you want to sell half of it, just as I have advised, you can always come and sell to me. Okay, so these are a few of the transactions I've been doing recently. Okay, so that's that. So let's talk about the KYC migration. For those of you that have not done your migration, please, I think you have some days left to do your KYC. Try to go to your mainnet and complete your migration. So all you have to do is to come here, click on this place, this hamburger icon up here. So you click here and then click on mainnet, and make sure you back up your seed phrase, guys. So you click on mainnet checklist, then you complete all these checklists. So you complete all these checklists, make sure everything here is green. If you're having issues here, you can always log out and log in again. That's why I said you should back up your 24-seed phrase, please. Okay, so you can always, after backing them up by writing them down on a sheet of paper, you can log out from your Pi app and log in so that this interface can refresh. And you know, it's been working for some people, and at the end of the day you can quickly complete this checklist. Okay, so if you want to deposit your Pi, we can deposit by using BitGet. If you are using BitGet BitGet exchange, let's see, let me check my exchange. Okay, so BitGet. So how to deposit your Pi, just okay, it's telling me to update. I'm not going to be doing that now, so just come to assets down here, assets. Okay, let me just log in. The app is loading. I have to do some verification. Okay. Alright. So another verification after putting my password. Okay, so I have to go to my Google Authenticator. I'll be pasting that. So now all you have to do is to click on assets here, then log in, then we come to add funds, deposit crypto, then you come here and search for Pi, P-I. Okay, so you can see it here, then you click on it, then you copy your deposit address, and then you come here on your Pi, you click on this hamburger up here, then you click on mainnet. Okay, I think we have to use our Pi browser to do this. Mainnet. Let's view wallets from here. Okay, then we click on Pi browser. And then you click on wallets. Okay, so let me unlock with fingerprint, so you can also lock with your 24-seed phrase. I'm using my fingerprint to unlock. So let's try again. Okay, so my balance is like this because I have some locked, okay, to some months time. So now that we've copied the wallet address, all you have to do is to click here that says pay/requests. Okay, and then you come here and click on manually add wallet address. So you click here, you add the number of Pi you want to send. Let's say you want to send 50 Pi, for example. Then you click here and then you paste the wallet address. Okay, and then when you paste the wallet address, all you have to do is click on send. Okay, because the wallet address we copied does not have a memo. So when we go back and check, you will see that there's no memo address, or there's no memo code to copy here. So all you have to do is just click on send, and that is how to transfer your pi to exchanges. Okay, so see you in the next video.